Welcome to our channel, and in this video I will tell you about MetaDerby. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need for MetaDerby will be down in the description. So first a little bit about MetaDerby itself. It's a horse racing game and breeding metaverse, and it's the #1 GameFi project on Avalanche right now if you sort by weekly active users. And users within this metaverse and within the game, because you can actually play it already, can earn by winning open races, death races, weekly tournaments and social race game modes. More about that last one a little bit later. So it's definitely one of the biggest GameFis out there right now, and recently they've also expanded onto the Clayton blockchain, which you might know it's one of the biggest blockchains out there, and that's just one of the great developments we're going to be talking about in this video. Because as you can see, here's their website. You can easily get to their own game, which you can get to by pressing play now. You can claim a free horse, you can see the ranking, a guide if you want to know how to actually play, and redemption of mystery boxes, because one of the best ways to gain new great horses to race with is to buy some mystery boxes and to pack some great horses. So now let's actually play now, and that will bring you to this page, the actual MetaDerby game. So here you can connect your wallet and you can play different kinds of game modes. Open races, tournaments, death race, but also social races, which is a new game mode they just added. So social racing is a new racing mode designed for you to host your own race, and you can now race against your friends and win their hoof, which is one of the tokens in the MetaDerby game. So there's settings customization in social racing, the game mode. You can set your own room name with passwords, restrict the horse level, select a starting time for example, but also set your own entry fee and prize pool, so you can create your own horse racing tournament. So I would definitely recommend you to check that out on their website. Again, all the links will be down in the description. Here you can also find out more about how you can buy horses off the market and how to play with them and earn more hoof tokens. Apart from that, and for that I would definitely recommend you to follow MetaDerby on Twitter as well. It's the same handle, MetaDerby. They will release a new referral system the 17th of October. So with this referral system, when your referee completes a purchase of a MetaDerby NFT mystery box using your referral link, you can get token commissions from the generated NFT sales. So this ranges from 5 to 30% depending on how many referees you have. But you can also win up to 5,000 hoof in additional rewards for being a top 10 referrer. So I would definitely check that out, stay updated on that, and make sure to become one of the biggest referrals. So of MetaDerby, you can also check out their roadmap right here. Here you can find out everything about what's happening, such as the new social game mode and the new referral system. So for now, that was the video about MetaDerby. We talked about what it was and some of their great developments coming up and already launched right now. So again, all the links you will need for MetaDerby will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.